Hi, today I'd like to show you the new Hearivo QV Lite behind the ear hearing aids. This is the box that it comes in. I'm going to open it up and we'll see what's inside. The first thing you'll notice is that there's an insert here and it has the tips card and then the user manual. Then inside you'll notice it has the accessories kit and the actual hearing aids with the portable charging case. So when I open up the accessories kit, you notice the first thing in there, you'll see some ear domes. There's closed dome and open dome ear domes in there. There's some wax guards in there, USB to Type-C charging cable, and then finally a cleaning brush. I want to show you the charging case. You see it's a beautiful charging case, very nice design to it. It's small and very lightweight. It has the outlet here for the USB to Type-C charging cable goes in there. When you open it up, you'll see the inside of the case with the two hearing aids. You'll also see a charging indicator on there that should come up there. You see it right there. That gives you the amount of charge that each of the hearing aids has and the case as a whole. Take out the hearing aid and you'll notice the hearing aid itself has a little sticker on it at the very bottom of it. You're going to want to take that off and then reinsert it back into the charging case, and it should snap right into place, and then you'll see the charging indicator light up on there. You want to charge this overnight, usually for the very first time, and after that about 2 to 3 hours for each additional charge. You should get about 20 hours of working time. Within the charging case, you'll get 3 additional charges before you have to recharge the charging case. Then I'd like to show you the hearing aid itself. You notice at the very top there is a hole here at the top and then a hole there. These are dual microphone hearing aids, and then you'll see a small wire, very thin, that comes out here to the receiver, and the receiver goes in the ear. Then you'll notice a functions toggle button here. There's a couple uses for this. One, if you want to increase the volume on it, you push up once and it'll say volume and then the number, whether it's 1 through 6. If you want to go down, you push the down button and then it goes down 1 through 6 as well. Now the other thing I'd like to show you is there's 3 sound modes. You can get to each of the individual sound modes by pressing the bottom toggle button for 3 seconds. Now the sound modes are normal, noise, and tinnitus masking. Tinnitus masking plays a white noise to cover your symptoms of tinnitus. It does not cure tinnitus. Also, if you want to turn off the hearing aid, you can push and hold the same button for 6 seconds. Now, to wear the hearing aid, you're going to want to take the hearing aid and place it on top of your ear and then push the receiver into your ear canal. Hopefully you can see that. It is quite light and it's very comfortable to wear and barely noticeable.